Alright, what's up everyone? What I have here is a fully adjustable RJM clutch pedal. I'm gonna try to make an install video, so hopefully everything goes well. I have all the tools right here. One of the main reasons why I bought this pedal was to remove this stock clutch spring. That play right there, yeah, that needs to go. There's also a lot more benefits to install. Alright, so let's get to it. TE the world. First thing you want to do is remove the battery, because you will be unplugging a few plugs down there. Yeah, I know my car is dirty, but I just removed the floor mat and put it right here so I can have some knee support, because this is a tight spot. I'm kind of a big dude, so hopefully I don't get irritated. All right, the first step to moving this pedal is there's a little hairpin right there. You want to remove that. Then after you remove that, you want to just take that part out. There we go. Just remove this hairpin and this thing that's connected to the clevis fork. So now I'm gonna remove 2 bolts that's on the firewall with 2 extensions and a 10mm socket. Can't really see it, but it's just back there. Now, there should be 2 plugs, one right there and one up here, which I already disconnected. After you disconnect this one, there should be you see that little clip? Just take those out with some new nose pliers and pull the wire out from the clutch assembly. Last but not least, we got one more bolt to remove. That one right there. Just use a couple extensions and 12mm socket. All right, so here's the stock clutch. Just pay attention. That needs to go. And here is the new one. The pedal's not on there right now, so it's going to look a little weird. It's just smooth. Now we just transfer sensors, one right there. Where's the other one? And the other one right here. And what would you call this? I guess just the pedal cover. Transfer that to the new one. All right, so removing the pedal cover is a little difficult. If you got these tools, or I guess just a flathead, just pull the top part out, pull it back. Should be able to get it out. Boom. Next, we're gonna remove the sensors. Just use a wrench. All right, once you take off the sensors, you want to remove the old nut it came with and use the 2 new nuts that came. And then also transferred the bumper stops in this blue part right here. Now we need to take the old clevis fork from the master cylinder out. When you're taking it out, make sure you count how many spins you do. You get these 2 spacers and put them on each of those threads right there. Just like that. Now we're gonna install the new assembly into the car. I didn't put the pedal in yet, so I could have more room. I'll put that on after. All right, so I finally just got done putting it in. Pedal's where I want it. I suggest you take out the seats, because I ran into a little problem and it was too cramped up. Clutch pedal is installed. When I reversed it, it felt really good. The reverse was so much smoother, and for me, I don't know about y'all, but when I put it in reverse, sometimes it's hard to put it in reverse. And when I went to first and second, oh man, that felt amazing. The hype was definitely worth it. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of iffy about it, but now that I have it, 100 out of 10 recommended. So don't hesitate and get it. But yeah, I really was shocked at how well this actually feels. Like, it changes the whole driver perspective. Like, literally the whole thing. I'm not even lying. Damn, man, my back hurting from laying on all that hard plastic. It's all right, it was worth it. I will get new headlights. I contacted this VQ headlights, and I just wanted it all blacked out, just black and simple. I don't want no halos. I'm just getting it blacked out. That would complete the front end, because front end, it looks naked with the headlights looking like that. I will lower this car soon. I don't know how soon. I just want to work on the suspension last, because I got to buy all the tow arms and all that stuff. I know the install video is not going to be too great. I'm sorry about that. But again, if you're thinking about buying the RJM fully adjustable clutch pedal, buy it right now, because it is totally worth it. I know y'all getting tired of me walking around the car. So the clutch pedal is on sale right now for, I believe it was $280. So if you want it, go buy one right now. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.